What if I told you that you could turn a single image into a professional video? No editing skills, no complicated software. In this video, I'll introduce you to a powerful AI tool called Runway ML. It turns your ideas into stunning videos in just seconds. And the best part? You get 500 free credits every month. No payment required. To make it simple, a 5-second video costs 25 credits. A 12-second video costs 50 credits. That means you can start creating real, shareable videos completely for free. Now let's jump into it. First, go to runwayml.com. This is the official website. Once you're on the homepage, you'll see a clean and modern interface. I'm going to log in directly using my Google account. You can do the same. After logging in, you'll land on the main dashboard. This is where all the magic happens. Now we're inside the Gen-4 tool page for generating videos and images. On the left side, you can either upload an image by clicking Select Asset or create a new one using Create Image. Below that, you have basic settings like the video length, 5 seconds, aspect ratio, 16:9, and the model type, Gen-4 Turbo. In the center, you can preview the video that will be generated. At the top, you'll notice a label indicating that you're using Gen-4, which is one of the most advanced tools for generating consistent and high-quality media. The main idea is simple. Upload an image, describe your scene, and click Generate. And your video will be ready in seconds. Now let me show you how to bring this image to life using Runway ML. First, we go to the Gen-4 tool. Click on Drop an Image or simply drag and drop your image here. Once the image appears, you can write a short description of the scene to guide the motion. For example, a sad little girl sitting alone in the rain, holding a notebook while people walk by under colorful umbrellas. Below, choose the video duration. Let's set it to 5 seconds. Keep the model on Gen-4 Turbo for faster results. Finally, click Generate. After a few seconds, Runway will give you a beautiful, emotional animated video based on your image. As you can see, the video turned out to be really beautiful, with emotionally impactful and visually appealing effects. The platform actually gives you full control over many details, like scene movement, background, facial expressions, and lighting. That was just a quick preview. But what's coming next is even more powerful. Now let's continue and see how we can create even more emotional scenes using animation tools. Honestly, the experience exceeded all my expectations. I used these images and turned them into animated scenes using Runway ML, and the results were truly stunning. The details, the hair movement, the expression in the eyes, even the lighting, everything came to life like a scene from a cinematic film. This software isn't just a tool, it's a storyteller. If you have strong visuals, Runway will take them to the next level and turn them into real works of art. Imagine this was just a frozen moment, but instead of staying trapped in a frame, Runway ML gave it life. What you just saw isn't just motion, it's emotion, detail, and a heartbeat born from a still image. This scene is done, but the story is just beginning. If this touched you, hit like and share it with someone who needs to see this beauty. And tell me in the comments, what do you want the next scene to be? A sad photo, a moment of joy, or a gaze that says everything without words? I'm here, and Runway is ready to turn any idea into a story that speaks.